Small business owners, listen up. AI is not some magic robot sitting in a glass tower waiting to replace your team. The useful version is way less dramatic and way more profitable. It is software that eats repetitive work, answers routine questions, organizes messy information, and helps your people move faster. That is where an AI specialist comes in. An AI specialist is not just the chatbot person. A good one walks into the business and asks, where are humans wasting time? Where are leads slipping through cracks? Where are customers waiting too long? And where is money leaking out because the process is still living in someone's inbox? Then they build practical systems. First, time savings. Most small businesses are drowning in admin work that does not require judgment every single time. Copying notes from calls, summarizing emails, sorting documents, drafting follow-ups, updating spreadsheets, answering the same 5 customer questions every day. An AI specialist can turn that busy work into repeatable workflows, so your team gets hours back without hiring another full-time person. Second, revenue growth. Speed wins deals. If a lead waits 2 days for a callback, that lead is already flirting with your competitor. AI can qualify leads, draft personalized follow-ups, remind salespeople when a deal goes cold, generate quote summaries, and help your team respond while the customer is still interested. That does not replace relationships. It protects them. Third, cost control. AI specialists find the expensive friction. Maybe your office manager spends 10 hours a week chasing missing forms. Maybe your estimators rewrite the same proposal language every day. Maybe your crews send photos from the field, but nobody turns them into clean job notes until Friday. AI can reduce that drag, standardize the output, and keep the business from paying premium human attention for low-value repetition. Now let us make this real. For a mortgage company, an AI specialist can build borrower intake workflows that collect documents, summarize loan scenarios, answer common questions about timelines, and flag incomplete files before a loan officer wastes time digging. They can help create follow-up sequences for leads who asked about refinancing, first-time buyer programs, or pre-approval. They can also generate clean internal summaries, so every file has the key details in one place. For a roofing company, AI can help after a storm when the phone starts lighting up. It can triage leads by location, urgency, roof type, insurance status, and appointment availability. It can summarize inspection photos, draft estimate explanations in plain English, create follow-up messages for open quotes, and remind the team which homeowners need a nudge before choosing another contractor. For real estate agents and property managers, an AI specialist can create listing descriptions, social posts, neighborhood summaries, open house follow-ups, tenant message routing, maintenance ticket summaries, and renewal reminders. The real value is not write me a cute caption. The real value is keeping communication moving when 20 people need answers at once. For dental, medical, chiropractic, or wellness offices, AI can reduce front desk overload. Think appointment reminders, intake form summaries, post-visit instructions, review requests, FAQ responses, missed call follow-up, and internal handoff notes. The specialist should be careful with privacy and compliance, but there is a mountain of non-diagnostic admin work that can be made faster and cleaner. For restaurants, retail shops, gyms, salons, and local service businesses, AI can help with weekly promotions, customer reactivation, review responses, inventory alerts, staff training notes, menu updates, booking reminders, and simple performance dashboards. Instead of staring at a blank screen thinking, what do we post today? The owner gets a practical draft and can move on. For trades like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, landscaping, pest control, and cleaning companies, the pattern is obvious. AI can answer common service questions, prepare estimate templates, summarize job photos, build checklists, follow up after appointments, request reviews, and help dispatchers understand what is urgent before the schedule turns into chaos. Here's the key. The tool is not the strategy. The specialist is the strategy. Anybody can open an AI app and type a prompt. A specialist connects AI to the business process. They choose what should be automated, what still needs human approval, what data is safe to use, and how the team will actually adopt the system. They build guardrails so the output is useful, consistent, and on brand. The best first projects are not giant moonshots. They are boring money makers. Lead response, quote follow up, document intake, customer service drafts, review requests, internal summaries, sales scripts, proposal generation, weekly reporting. Start there, and the business feels the difference fast. So, if you run a small business and you feel like your team is busy all day, but the important work keeps slipping, that is your signal. You do not need a sci fi department. You need an AI specialist who can walk the floor, spot the bottlenecks, and turn the repetitive stuff into systems. Save time, capture more revenue, stop leaking money through manual work. That is the real AI play for small business, not hype, not magic, practical leverage.